The top 5 must watch Chinese dramas of Lin Yi. Put your head on my shoulder. As graduation approaches, Situmo, who has been used to following arrangements since she was a child, is confused about her future and tries out various arrangements. She is always unable to find the courage to make a choice for herself. As the old and new campuses merged, a physics student, Gu Wei, enters Situmo's life. The humdrum life sparks a wave of laughter. Several times, fights made Situmo and Gu Wei gradually get into each other's hearts and mistakenly become co-rental allies. In the process of getting along, they put aside prejudice. With each other's encouragement and help, they find a new direction in life and career, but also harvest love. They experienced graduation, job hunting, and working together, and realized that the warmest time is to take the right path and do the right thing with the right person. Love scenery. Liangchen and Lu Jing devote themselves to their respective fields, using their professionalism to inspire and guide those who love them. Liangchen, who uses music to express the best, the truest, and the most beautiful, is dedicated to bringing good music to listeners. Lu Jing, who is passionate about computer and big data research, has been highly recognized by the big data academic community through his research on humans' various complex behaviors, psychological information, and other massive data. With his solid professionalism, Lu Jing positively influences the students around him and contributes to social data research. Everyone Loves Me, the campus belle, Yue Chenling, harbors a secret admiration for the academic genius Gu Shun. Taking the advice of her friends, she decides to play the role of a naive beauty to pursue his love. Unfortunately, Gu Shun has already fallen for his skilled and charming gaming partner, Ru Mixiao Mahua, in the virtual world. While he remains indifferent to Yue Chenling's advances in real life, he skillfully woos Xiao Mahua online, unaware that she is actually Yue Chenling. Upon discovering the truth, Gu Shun finds himself on an unexpected journey of reverse pursuit. The story unfolds with a delightful blend of humor and heartwarming moments as the two navigate the path of mutual understanding and love. In the end, they join hands to pursue their dreams and create a future together. Memory of Encaustic Tile, Xiao Shui, Zheng Sunian, Zhang Qi, and several other children of heritage restoration craftsmen grew up together in the hutongs of Beijing, experiencing the SARS epidemic, the death of their elders, the demolition of the old city, and others, and formed a deep friendship. Xiao Shui was influenced by Zheng Sunian's mother and chose to leave her hometown because she did not want to give up the unlimited possibilities of her future for love. Zheng Sunian inherited the legacy of his elders and became a restorer of cultural relics. Sensing time and gaining power in the immortal relics, Zhang Qi was guaranteed admission in advance because of his talent in mathematics. Even if the hearts were connected, the young Xiao Jue and Zheng Sunian still went their separate ways because of their respective pursuits. After years of separation, they meet again and get together in the end. Smile Code Guyi is